This hair color is bomb. Like, who agrees with me?
My mom is Alkayida. Alkayida. Hey, my papa is
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. As you guys can see by the title of this video, and like your girl went green. So I did like this lime green, neon green, whatever you call it, hair color. And it's been actually trending lately. Like Kim Kardashian rocked this hair color, Caesar rocked it, Kylie Jenner rocked it, like the newest trend, guys. I did go from a black to this, but I did not show the whole process. So basically I got black hair and from AliExpress, and I bleached it twice. So I did bleach it, say the first time was 30 minutes, the second time was about like 45 minutes, and to get to the blonde. And you just kind of want to get your hair as light as possible. So that means if it means you're bleaching it twice, then go for it. But sometimes if you have really good hair, you can bleach it once and your hair would go really light. And then from there, you're gonna just watch this video and see how I achieved this lime green look from blonde hair. You can also buy 613 hair, which would be better because then your hair is gonna be uniform shade. And as you can see, there's like some parts of the hair is like yellow, some part is green, just because I bleached it. So I did not bleach it. It was not impossible to bleach it all one perfect shade, so I have like colors everywhere, but then I feel like it kind of gives it a nice highlight, low light type of thing, and it looks good. So yeah, and my roots are black just because I did not bleach the top part of my hair. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this look, I've talked too much, keep on watching. So basically guys, I'm using the Manic Panic hair dye and in the shade Electric Lizard. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use hot water from my tap, put the entire hair dye into the water, and make sure guys you properly mix this mixture, because unlike the Adore that I used in my purple hair video, this is pretty thick. Make sure you stir it properly and don't leave any parts concentrated. Once you're all done, just dip your hair into the mixture, and I left it to sit for 5 minutes, and feel free to always take it out to check it within that 5 minutes. And that's it. Just keep watching the video, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you on this. It's pretty easy and straightforward, and it's very fast. So in 5 minutes you can get your hair dyed. Like, girl,
it's fake kills.
One time, standard. One time. Spot, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell them, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down.
so after doing all that, I rinsed the hair and went ahead to condition the hair, and that's it.
And a bad man run the show.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dance.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time.
So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and let me know also in the comment section down below what type of videos you guys would like to see from me. And Christmas is coming, so expect vlogs, lit vlogs coming. So you guys should subscribe, turn on your notifications, and stay tuned, because your girl has like lots and lots of bomb contents coming up. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run.